gentlemen, for the past 2 weeks we haven't been uploading. That's because our GoPro lost half of our footage and the other half had no sound. So today I'm going to try and voice over our leftover footage. But we can't trust parents with the simplest of things, because my daddy probably lost most of the footage. So I will teach him how to use it, don't worry. Right, so here I've used 3 different levels of cladding, so in the middle we can keep the height of the van. So here we are using this. This is from recycled bottles, so we put it in the gaps of the van, like so. In here we put it in this hole. So there's a vapor barrier covering it as well, which stops the moisture from getting in. Right, so in the last minute we've added this roof vent, so in the night time it will keep us cool, and it also lets the air circle around the van, so that it flows through the van. Right, for this bit I'm just adding a little trail so the LED lights can flow through here, because this will be our main light source. Even though we have the windows, this will be our main light source. So we'll put them all along the ramp. Right, so that's the ramp done, and that leaves a trail for the LED lights to travel around. Right, so I'm just finishing off the lights here and done. So this is the lights. They look quite small, but they work really well. So I use this, and it's not a Jacquerie because we don't have one, but we would gladly accept one. Right. So we're going to plug this in. So here's the plug. Let's plug it in here and there. Right. Now I need to get the remote, and then I need to turn it on and then turn the switch on. Right. So you can change the colour like this. So I picked green. So green is a nice colour. And you can also go to blue, which I also like. So this is a really nice light system, and now we're going to put this on so it will look even better, and so we don't bump our heads on it. Right, so that's that done. So we can control with the remote control, but soon we'll try and get it to go on the phone. So right now it's running off the battery pack. So we're going to try and get it to run off of the leisure batteries. Right, so now that the floor's cleaned, we're going to use this. This is PE foam flooring underlay. So we're going to use this, put on the floor. We've wiped down the floor as well. So we're going to put this on top. Another thermal layer so that we can put laminate flooring on top of it. So now we're going to do the flooring with the Windsor Light Oak. This is the Windsor Light Oak. Alright, so now I'm going to draw it out with this pencil and ruler here. So I'm going to draw it out here, like that. So I've done the corner. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to jigsaw it out. going to fit this in. So that should go like that. We have to be careful with the wires. There. And now we're going to do this all around the van. So this is what it looks like so far. This is just the front, but we're supposed to do it all over the van. So let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, the floor is finished and we've done the bed frame. Next week we're going to do the full bed, but for now we're using the old van cushions. But in 6 weeks' time we'll get some new ones. But we're going to use these ones for now. And yeah, we're going to finish off the bed next week. And we're going to get some special cushions in 6 weeks' time. I'd like to give a special thank you to Kiki for watching all our videos and who subscribed and liked and pressed the notification bell. I hope you guys press the notification bell and subscribe. I'd like to see you later. Bye. Hi everyone and welcome to weekend 4. As you know, in our past videos we've on the walls we've vapor barriered them, we've soundproofed them and insulated them. So this is what we've done so far. So here will be the bed, but here will be my beach cupboard. Here will be the batteries. These are the batteries. One's charging inside right now. Here there will be the electrics, which are right there now. This cupboard will be for bedding. Here, that's where the wires will be, but that's where the fridge will be when we get it. Here's where the toilet is. Over here, this will be the gas cupboard. This cupboard over here, as you can see, so we've got lots of cupboards here. This cupboard will be the water cupboard. And then, if we come over here, this cupboard over here. So, this cupboard over here will probably be for my clothes and stuff like that. Here will probably be for my daddy's clothes. Here will be the oven, and the TV will go on the wall over here. So it's kind of like a wooden cabin theme right now. But today we're going to be finishing off the bed. So we've done the frame. We're going to finish off the bed today, and we'll try and get that other battery in there, but they're really heavy. So now I'm making the front of the bed. These are my notes so far. Yeah, so I'm just gonna mark it with this. So I've written it down. So then I use it and I mark it on here. So let's see. So we need to do 24. So let's write down 24. So we don't use my set square first, we'll use that after. So we need to find 24. So we go along here. So 24 is just about here if you can't see, because it is coming off, but yeah. Now we've done it, we're going to use the set square to draw out the lines. Let's move this out of the way. So what we have to do is we have to make it even. So let's get this piece of wood here. Get the set square so it has to be even, like here. So we do this. So then we draw a line here. Right, now we're going to do that for all of them. So let's do it for here as well. So make sure it's even. Make sure it's on the line. And then you do it. Right, now I'm going to cut them out on the lines. So first safety. There we go, now that's cut, this will be the inside of the bed frame. Right, so these are the pieces I've cut. So these will be the pieces for the inside of the bed frame. Right, so now let me put these in place where they're meant to be. So this should go here, should go here, like this. Just slide them on here, like that. So they should be on the line, as you can see. Right, then these two. So these two don't go together actually. Let's just, so that should go there, no, that should go there. Yep, that one should go there. Down here, that one should go there. Right, so now I've done that, I'm going to use these two. Oh. So this one I'm going to use to drill it, to drill a hole for the screws. This one I'm going to use to put the screws in, and it's very noisy. Right, so let me get to that. Right, now I've put in all the screws, I'm going to cut this section here, so that we have two sections to put out. Right, so now I've just used my tape measure and marked it with my pencil. Then I use my set square to finish it. This is going to be the slats for the bed. So now I'm going to cut them out. Now I've cut out all the slats, I'm going to put them on for the bed. Right, so now I've measured here on the bed, number 1 and 2, where this is where the slats are going to be. So look, this one is number 2, so number 2 goes above it there. Number 1 goes on the line there, and I'll keep on doing that. So let's get this. Let's see. That's 1. Right, so now I've done all of this. I'm going to finish it off here, and yeah, so these are the finishing stats. So here they'll be able to pull out, but not right now because we haven't finished it. There we go, the bed's complete. Let me just move this out of the way. The sander. So the bed's complete here, look. So we finished all down here. So now let's just scrape some dust off. Now let's try and see if it works. So we put it, well, I'm not strong, but yeah, there you go. And it pulls out. So that is actually the chair. This pulls out to be the bed. So it's like an old fan, but things are in the way. So this isn't a full, it goes from here all the way to here. So yeah, but it works pretty well. And we've got some old van pillows that we can put on top of here. And it works on the other side as well. Right, so this is our chair. It's actually longer than our one in the old van. So I can actually lay down in it. So this is it in the daytime. And in the night time, what we do, we go here, and we put it out of the way, and then put it down to max height. Then we get one of these, and then we put it on here. I know it doesn't match, but put it on here. Then over here, we do the same thing. But over here, this one is actually longer. And we just, oh, this is long. We just, this bit here to here. Doesn't really fit, but it's will do for now. And we just take one of these pillows and put it here to be nice and comfy. And this is our bed. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, press the notification bell. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.